Hello and welcome to Cosplay, Crafts and More. I am Danielle. If you've been here before, I have gone by a different name but have recently decided to change it. If you are new here, welcome, and I am so happy that you have joined us. Today I'm going to be going over the patterns and plans for a new project that I am starting. If you have been here in the past, you know I've gone over all of the details of the projects, and while I'm sure that's helpful, I will not be doing an as in-depth look at all of the projects. That being said, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This new project is inspired by two different things. First is the 1920s, which was a season of economic prosperity, especially in the United States. During the 1920s, you'll see the rise of jazz music, flappers, and the cinema. You'll also have the Prohibition, which led to the rise of speakeasies or illegal bars, and the making of illegal liquor. The automobile was the top prized possession of many in this era, as it was the latest and newest piece of technology. Sadly, the 1920s will end with the stock market crash and the beginning of the Great Depression. The other thing that is inspiring this look is the animated character Jessica Rabbit. She's famous for her beautiful red hair and dress. She is extremely loyal and caring for her husband, Roger Rabbit. They are both from the film Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Basically, for this look, I am trying to reimagine the character Jessica Rabbit as though she were from the 1920s and not her original design. For this design, I will be using this pattern from Folkwear called the Monte Carlo dress. I ended up having to purchase this online from Joann's for about $30. This is really the only place I could find a pattern that matched the vibe I was going for. I know it's a little expensive, but it's so worth it in the end. For the fabric, I will be using this beautiful red satin. I got it from Joann for $28. It was 30% off, and I need 5 yards. For the notations, which is anything extra that you will need to make the pattern or the design, I will be using this red thread. I won't be adding any extra twinge or bling, which is common in 1920s outfits. However, the grace and elegance of Jessica Rabbit's design is that it's basic and simple. For the accessories, I will be purchasing these purple opera length gloves from Amazon for about $7, and these red heels also from Amazon for about $28. I will also be adding this locket to the design. The grand total for this cosplay is about $95.